Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. I get rid of that blue barrel here real soon. I'm going to micro scrap everything that's in it. Yeah, now I've got my stuff where I got it set up so much better. Barrels with everything that I carry in it. Shred metal until it goes into the trailer or gets tore apart, one of the two. I got some plastic trash. Once I get rid of that, it'll look a lot better. But yeah. Yes, sir. Ooh, I'm feeling pretty good about it, guys. I mean, for real. I'm feeling good about it. Yep. Got to clean off my bench. Got to put a few more things away. Text me if you want my stickers. Yeah. Text me if you want my stickers. Scrap with Grandpa, what's next? That's right. I'll send you stickers. Yes, I am loving the way I've got things set up in here now. Wow, what a big deal. I just started a can bin. I don't get many cans. Yeah, there's a couple batteries over here. Stainless steel here. Stainless steel. Empty bin. Don't even know what I'm going to use it for. My wire bin. My copper bin's over there. What else? My motor bin's getting full. Motor bin is getting full. I put my smaller motors. Oops, shouldn't be in there. I put my smaller motors in here. Fan motors. Yeah. Put my smaller motors like fan motors and these type of motors. They just go in this box. And God bless America. I'm not sure why that fell in the can. Put that out here. And this is going to be my clean cast, and I actually have some over there. I need to switch it out. That's going to be my clean aluminum. That's going to be my extrusion aluminum. I'm going to maybe put some new springs or whatever you call it on that toolbox, because it's really all that's wrong with it. Everything else is great. I still have them things that's been here for about a year, maybe a year and a half. I got to get them scrapped out. That thing there I'm bringing in as is. It's too much work. I brought in some the other day just the same way because of it. I really got a bunch of micro scrapping videos coming up of how to and what not to, I guess you might say. So yeah. Oh, this is my Dustin from YouTube is coming to visit me from Florida. The end of May when school is out. Or 1st of June, whatever that ends up being. Some clean aluminum with some dirty cast in there too. We'll separate all of that. What else do I got? I think this is my oil drum. And my oil drum is got about this much oil in it, I'd say. And that's only from 5 cans. So I got 5 of them burn barrels. I call them burn barrels. I got 5 of them and dumped them all into this. It literally brought me up to about here. My plan. Oh man, that's a lot of oil. It might even be up to here. I'll have to stick something down in there and see how deep it is. Matter of fact, that might be a good idea right now. Let's see how much oil we got in that barrel. I'm just giving you guys a little tour around outside of my scrapyard, guys. Show you a few things that I got going on. Of course, I still have a couple more things I need to put where it belongs today. And yeah, let's see how deep that is. I don't really have anything in my yard that's clean enough to stick in this pretty oil. Barrel's on a little bit of an angle. Boom, the bottom. Oh, wow. Wow. How deep is it? Oh, yeah, that's right where I said. Right where I said. Wow. That's a good amount of oil. That's a good amount of oil. What is that? Close to 12 inches deep right there.